Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites, an account, enough GPU RAM, and the runtime you'll use. Once done, pick a model family based on the task diffusion for general images, low RA for fine edits. Make sure to note the model's required stable diffusion version and sampler compatibility. This prevents crashes later. You're choosing for fidelity and speed, so weigh resolution against RAM. Finally, download both the model weights and any listed dependencies, like VAE or tokenizer, to avoid missing files mid-process. Now you'll integrate the files into your chosen interface. Copy the CKPT or SAFA tensors into the model's folder and include any VAE or config files the author specifies. Once added, restart the web UI or service so it indexes the new model. Then configure precision and batch size, choose FP16 to save RAM, but use FP32 for maximum stability if you have headroom. Make sure sampling settings and seed behavior match the model preview to reproduce expected results. Small tweaks can change style dramatically. Execute a set of test prompts, starting with the author's examples so you establish a baseline. Then iteratively adjust CFG scale, sampling steps, sampler type, and denoising strength to shape results. Small parameter shifts produce substantial stylistic changes. Once satisfied, save your prompt presets and model settings for repeatability. If something breaks, crashes, artifacts, or failed loads, check the error log first. Confirm model runtime version match. Verify all companion files are present, and reduce batch size or switch to FP16 to avoid RAM errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.